Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing and review of the USB Type-C to HDMI adapter. Without further ado, let us start the unboxing video so we can now bring the product into the frame. So this is what we purchased for about £15 off Amazon, USB Type-C to HDMI adapter. Why do I need this? Well, because we can connect the Samsung mobile phone that has USB Type-C to our television with the HDMI connector, so we can then view the mobile phone from the television screen. Let's now get into the box. The side, the top, the other side lets us know we can use this on Windows, Android, Mac, USB Type-C. Gives us an instruction manual to tell us what and where this can be used, all the compatible devices. Let's now just get into the box. This is what we are left with in some packaging. There we go. USB Type-C to HDMI. When it comes to the HDMI connection, we will need a wire that is inside the HDMI connector that goes to the television, USB Type-C into your mobile phone. So we can now put this video to an end as we have now reviewed and unboxed the product itself. £15 from Amazon. There will be a link in the description below of this video. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial unboxing video. Thanks for now.